it's Kian and Green Phillip, and we're back for another YouTube video today. Don't judge my hair because it's going to change. I've actually rocked this look to Starbucks already, so it can't get any worse than this. I've already done it. It's in the past. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video. I'm gonna do a few hairstyles. I don't know how many. I'll probably know at the end. And let me know what you think. First, I'm going to start moisturizing my hair. This is just Cream of Nature and water in a spray can, in a spray bottle. I'm just gonna go ahead and take down my hair and spray my hair.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need.
I just repaired the locks in the front of my head because my not so smart self wanted to put fake locks in my real locks, and then when I took them out, it took a lot of the root of my locks out and made it super duper thin. Do not put fake hair in your locks, guys. It's not worth it. Anyways, next thing I'm gonna do is very simple. I don't have a lot of different oils, nor can I afford 50 or 60 different oils. So I just have the black castor oil and tea tree oil. It's just a Hollywood beauty one. It's not like a fancy dancy schmancy one.
Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body, man. Me have to come back for the journey,
Now that I'm done moisturizing it and sealing it with oil, next is the styling. I think the real challenge here is using all these wonky, weird, different shaped, colored hair ties and using these hair theft rubby bands. Anyways, style one, fight.
Got the music me excited, coming like a boss.
Let me fix it. Yeah, okay, so I feel like this style looks best on people who have like a lot of hair and like really thick locks. It's kind of cute, like a little updo. A lot of my styles will have bangs because I'm the banging gang. Okay, on to style two. It's giving Disneyland. It's giving Pretty Princess. It's giving everything I've ever wanted it to be. I don't think I'm gonna show y'all the back because I feel like it's struggling back there. I'll show you anyway. Boop. Don't judge me. Next.
So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full.
Why not? Next, look.
Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? Lord, what time is sit down in a class?
Oh, Kian, bangs again. Yes, you're gonna take these bangs. You're gonna like it. Da bang gang. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. So it's like a nice little updo. Nice little uppity dub. Anyways, I don't know. Maybe you can have one hang out because one always keeps falling out. So, yeah. Alright, next.
Yeah, for me. And send me to tell you my story. Just show a blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the glory. I'm in the light. You know, some passion ignited. Got the music.
Now hear me out. I know these are stiff. Let me just, you know, boom. Or, hold on.
Gratitude is a must.
Oh, my ancestors just tell me how proud they were of me. Now don't judge the back because my parts are not straight. I've been doing my own locks for a long time. That's another look. I think any variation of 2 ponytails or up and down has already been shown, but let me do something kind of cool. Oh no. No, never mind. I ain't doing all that.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in a rise on board.
Yes, queen, serving, giving, life. Giving, I already kind of done this hairstyle, but here is another one. Okay, and that's it. That's all I have for y'all today. I feel like if I just keep playing in my hair, my scalp is gonna get very irritated, so. If you like my content or any of my trash ass content that I serve up for you guys all the time, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Me and Green Phillip will be here waiting for you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.